If you're doing MBBS from a private medical college, if you couldn't crack a government seat, or if you're scared that what people might think if you end up getting admission into a private medical college, this video is for you. Because today I want to talk about something people rarely address, and that is the reality and plight of being the student of a private medical college. Hi, I'm Ishita, and I'm currently a second year MBBS student. This is to tell the truth that if you do MBBS from a private medical college, that does not make you less deserving, that does not make you less intelligent, or it does not make you any less of a future doctor. I cracked NEET UG in 2024 in my second attempt. I was genuinely performing well in my test series and was expecting a government medical college, but on the day of the exam, you call it pressure, fear, anxiety, stress, whatever. I just could not perform well. And I know many of you will relate because sometimes it's not about how much you studied, but more about that one particular day and how you performed on that day. When I realized I'd be joining a private medical college, my emotions were mixed. I was disappointed because I could not live up to the expectations of my parents. My parents were initially upset too, but I think with passing time, they did also realize that मैंने भी genuine efforts डाले थे, and they did go beyond their comfort financially to put me into a private medical college. And that is where the guilt begins. Even if your parents can afford the college, it does not make the guilt any less. Every day you're aware कि आपके parents, they are paying lakhs of money for this education. You feel this constant pressure to outperform, to prove yourself. It's not always motivating. Sometimes it can get mentally exhausting, but I think along this way, something did change for me. I stopped looking at this college, at my private college, as a compromise, but I started seeing it as an opportunity that had walked itself to my door, an opportunity to rebuild my confidence, grow, and become the doctor I had always wanted to be. And you know, where does it all gets better? Once you stop comparing, once you stop thinking of it as a compromise and start enjoying this journey. Private college MBBS students are often labeled as rich kids, not putting enough effort, buying their degree, they are not smart enough. But I want to say this very clearly, not everyone studying in a private medical college is a rich kid. Not everyone came here to buy a degree, and not everyone who is here in a private medical college lacks potential. Many of us are here because of one bad day, one moment of panic. But that does not erase our intelligence, that does not define our future, that cannot question our integrity. If you're preparing for NEET and watching this, it is definitely great to crack a government medical college, but your worth does not depend upon a private or a government medical college. Where you study matters far less than how you study, what you study, the consistency with which you show up, and the kind of doctor you become in future. And trust me, you can love your life here. Let's clear this up. हम सेम सिलेबस पढ़ते हैं, हमारा कोर्स सेम है, हमारी बुक्स सेम है. इन MBBS everybody is following standard books. हम सेम इंटरनल्स दे रहे हैं, हम सेम यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम्स भी दे रहे हैं. देन व्हाट इज़ डिफरेंट? Just that tag of a private college? We are also giving our 20s to this degree just like any other government college student would be. So, just to appreciate or acknowledge the efforts of a government college student, pulling down somebody who is pursuing MBBS in a private college is extremely unfair. If we talk about academics, then my experience has been really good so far. The professors are knowledgeable, they are supportive. Yes, self study is important, it really gives you an extra edge, but I think that is essential everywhere, irrespective of the fact you are in a government college or a private college. Be it infrastructure, be it labs, be it patient inflow, everything is just apt. I used to feel inferior initially, like maybe I'm less smart just because I'm in a private college. But over time, I've realized one exam, one rank cannot define my intelligence, it cannot define my worth. When I interact with my friends who are in government college student, I do realize that I am just not less than anybody. This insecurity does not disappear overnight, but one day you do wake up, you're more confident, you feel more capable, and you're more aware. And that's exactly when you stop asking, do I belong here? Because you already know the answer now. Do I regret joining a private college? No. Was it expensive? Yes. Was it worth it? Also a yes. I was very clear that I would not take another drop. I chose my dream over fear, and I think that is the best decision I've taken so far. If you miss the government seat by a few marks, that is not the end of your life. If you can afford a private college, or if you can take education loan to fulfill your dream, you should just go for it. To err is too human, but there is no mistake which you cannot recover from. What matters is if or if not you rise again. And to the students who are already in a private college, you're not less, you're not inferior, you're not behind anybody. You're equally a part of race as your counterparts studying in government medical college are. Today, I can honestly say I'm enjoying what I'm doing. I'm learning something new every day. I'm growing, and I'm genuinely proud of myself for not giving up on my dream and considering this decision option of getting into a private college. And that is it for this video. If this video resonated with you, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.